Hi everyone, it's Cecille. Today I'm excited to share this adorable collaboration from Kindli by Be Happy featuring my very own cute cat crew character designs. Seeing these characters transformed into a fuse bead kit is such a fun experience and I'm excited to show it to you today. I'll be showing you everything included in the kit, how to make one of the cat designs, and some helpful fuse bead tips, and of course, the finished project at the end. So, let's get started. Let's take a closer look at what's included in the Little Maker Cat Crew Bead Kit. So there are 8 carefully selected bead colors, around 2,000 fuse beads, a mini square pegboard, a tweezer, three sheets of ironing paper, and also the cute cat bead patterns. For this collaboration, I chose the color combination used throughout the cat collection, and I really love how soft, playful, and cheerful the palettes turned out. And Be Happy did a wonderful job putting everything together into one complete kit, making it easy for everyone to start crafting right away. Simply place a clear pegboard over the pattern guide. Since it's transparent, you can easily follow the design underneath. I'm using the tweezers included in the kit to place each bead onto the pegboard. This part is so relaxing. I love watching the design slowly come together. You can simply follow the design pattern and build the image one color at a time. One thing I enjoy about these fuse bead projects is that even simple shapes can turn into something really cute once completed. After placing all the beads, our cat design is finally complete and ready for the next step. Now for the most important part, the ironing process. Always place the ironing paper over your design before applying heat. Use medium heat and move the iron gently in circular motions. Then try not to leave the iron in one area for too long because this can cause uneven melting. After the first side is fused, gently turn the design over and repeat the process on the back for a smoother finish. Taking your time during this step makes a huge difference and helps create a cleaner final result. And here is our finished cat design. I think it turned out super cute and I absolutely love how the colors come together. And here are all 10 adorable cat designs included in the kit. The Little Maker Bead Kit are available on Be Happy website. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next crafting project. Until then, be crafty, be happy!